Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, alleged leader of the Klansman gang, Tesha Miller, is among 23 men who have been arrested, charged and indicted for being part of a criminal organization.
The Office of the Director of Public Prosecution says the men have participated in several criminal activities between August 5, 2017 and August 22, 2022 in the parish of St. Catherine.
Now, these range from murder, conspiracy to murder, attempted murder, robbery with aggravation, illegal possession of firearm, and illegal possession of ammunition.
All the accused appeared for the first time together on a voluntary bill of indictment before the Home Circuit Court today. Now, the case has been adjourned or was adjourned to April 18 in the Home Circuit Court.